increased propulsion, X-Fly offers unmatched maneuverability. Both indoors and outdoors, as well as incomparable gliding capabilities and a flight distance of 150 meters. We've also made the battery replaceable, so now flight is practically unlimited, as charging takes less time than flight duration. X-Fly's durable design features shock absorbers and flexible wings to withstand any crash. Flight control is the easiest ever, as you control X-Fly from your phone with 3 mode options, or you can use the designated X-Fly joystick. And there are tons of future plans. X-Fly is an open platform with plug-in modules. Right now, there is LED module for mesmerizing nighttime flight.